Hi, I'm Vanessa with Heal Thyself, and today's flow is a nice 10-minute flow designed to relieve that lower back pain. It's also going to open up that sacral chakra. You're going to want to save this video because to get the most out of this flow, try to do this flow 3 times a week. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Get into something comfortable and let's flow. Begin today's flow in the supine position, starting with some deep abdominal breaths. Take a deep inhale through the nose, expanding the belly, allowing the breath to fill the chest, allowing the shoulders to be supported by the mat. And as you exhale through your nose or your mouth, your choice, allow the hips to release any tension you may be holding. One more inhale and exhale. I'm going to begin by bending both knees, placing the soles of the feet onto the mat. As you inhale, lift both of your forearms into a cactus position, allowing the shoulders to fall deep into the mat and be supported by the mat. Inhale, lifting the pelvic slightly off of the mat. Exhale, releasing the pelvic back down into the mat. Inhale, it's a small, subtle movement. Exhale, releasing. Inhale, lifts. Exhale, release. Last time. Inhale, lift. Exhale, release. Preparing for our half wind release, feel free to grab a blanket or a pillow onto the lower back in case it's a little sore. On your next inhale, lift the right knee in towards the torso, binding the hands behind the thigh or on top of the knee. As you inhale, slightly tug the thigh into the chest. And exhale, allowing the body to fall on the mat, relaxing. Inhale, we're gonna hold here for 2 more breaths. Exhale. Inhale, allowing the psoas muscles to open, and exhale. Now on this next inhale, you can stay exactly right where you are or take the right hand on top of the knee, and on the next exhale, allow the right knee to fall to the right side body. Nice and easy. And just hold here for 2 more breaths, working the abductor and the adductor muscles that run along the thigh. Last breath here. Inhale brings the knee towards the center body. Exhale releases the soles of the foot back to the mat. We're going to take this on the opposite side. Inhale lifts the left knee, binding on the thigh. Hands resting on the knees. Your choice, your body, your practice. We're going to hold here. Be mindful of those shoulders, that they don't bow up, that they stay pressed against the mat. 1 more breath here. Relaxing the hips. You can stay here, or on the next exhale, allow the left knee, supported by the hand, to fall to the left side body, opening up that psoas muscle. And on every exhale, allow the body and the hips in particular to relax. The lower back, release. On the next inhale, bring the left knee back into the main line of the body as the left foot returns to the mat. Bring the hands either in cactus position or extend them out, whichever is your preference. Inhale. Inhale sets the move. Take a deep inhale, and as you exhale, allow both of the knees to fall to the right side body. And once your knees fall to a place that's comfortable for your body, hold here. Inhale, lift. Exhale, release to the opposite side. And just pause. Notice that sensation. Inhale, lift. Exhale, drop to the right side body. or whatever side is comfortable for you. Inhale, lift. Exhale, left side. Opening up the muscles in the side. Take a couple of these at your own pace, at your own rhythm. One more in each direction. Inhale, bring the knees to stillness as you lengthen both legs down onto the mat, releasing the blanket if you were using it. Now we're going to come into an easy seat. Bring both knees into the chest, build some momentum, and come straight up. Inhale, lifting both palms up towards the ceiling, gazing in between the fingertips, and reach here as if you're extending the shoulder blades out of the socket. Exhale, hands to heart center, gazing at your hands. It's time here. Inhale for volcano. And as you exhale, allow the right hand to fall towards the mat. And as you exhale, bending towards the right side body, extending the left hand up and over and reach. Last breath here. Inhale, lifting both palms up towards the ceiling, gaze in between your fingertips, reach. Taking this on the opposite side. As you exhale, left hand falls towards the mat, right hand reaches over towards the left for a side body twist here. Exhale. As you inhale, lift both hands up towards the ceiling, gazing in between the fingertips. And as you exhale, hands come down to heart center. Now meet me in the tabletop position on your hands and knees. The hands are directly underneath the shoulders. Inhale, lift the head and the pelvic, dropping the belly. Exhale, tuck and roll for cat. Lifting the belly button to the spine, pelvic tilts forward. Inhale, lift the head and the hips. Exhale, tuck and roll. Now take a couple of these at your own pace, at your own rhythm in this cat-cow. Inviting some movement into the hips. Motion is lotion. We're going to come to stillness here. Open up the knees, toes together. Shift the hips back for a nice child's pose with an audible exhale. Forehead down to the mat. Take a couple of breaths here. Upward facing dog. We're going to hold right here in upward facing dog. Take our gaze up towards the ceiling. And as you exhale, shift the right shoulder to the right side body. Take a peek at those right toes. I'm going to take it to the opposite side. One more time. Gazing up towards the ceiling. Coming into our child's pose. And from this upward facing dog, bend the elbows, belly, chest, and chin falls onto the mat. Place your left cheek onto the mat, preparing for our Savasana. This is your Savasana. May you find peace in your stillness and in your day. Sat Nam, your truth.